Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to learn about timers. How we can use the timer 10 milliseconds in Omron PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our CX programmer, and here we will first choose the new project, and here we can give 10 ms timer, and which model you have you can select it here. I have a CP1E model and click it OK. You see this name is not okay, so we can choose only timer control. Control. Now it's okay, but we have to confirm our in file new, but this one no, again select because I forget the name of TIMH control, and that model we will select and click it OK. Now it's ready, and so we have to make just this work online, and here's go to the direct online first. Have to be connect, and it will be auto detect and which program is inside the PLC that will be backed up. So wait for some time. Yeah, now it's read the program and upload successfully, which is our program inside the PLC that's backed up. So in previous lecture already I discussed about 100 millisecond timers. So now we will discuss about that 10 millisecond timers. So I will delete this all data, and again I will create, and again I will create for you. First of all, we will take the internal or external any bit, which is depend on your choice. If you have a physical PLC, you can choose the external input hardware. For example, I first choose my input, just only type the 0, and after you will place this one x0.0, and second we will choose one output. For example, 100.0 I will choose, and here we will choose one open contact of our 100.0 open contact of the our relay, and we will make the branch here, and again one take we will close contact. For example, 0.1 I will choose and click it OK. And next here we will take one more contact of 100.0, sorry, not close contact, we have to be choose this open contact, because of we need the timer when starts when our y 100.0 will be on. So 100.0 I will choose, and next we will choose one timer. So when you select the timer, after you can choose it from here, and after go to the details, and instruction help. If you like to be see, you can see the instruction help, but we have to be go find instructions and go to the timer counter. This last previous video we used the timer, and now we use this one timer TIMH015. This is the 10 millisecond timer, high speed timer BCD type, and click it OK. And here we have to be give the timer number. For example, T0 I will choose, and next we have to be give the time, how much time we have to be uh, on delay. For example, I will write the H 300 or 400 milliseconds. So it's the 3 seconds, and click it OK, and you can see your timer is now placed. And here this one we will take it here at the last, and this branch we can put it here the timer, and so our timer is ready now. And here one mistake also we will make. What's the mistake? Because of this row we have to be fixed. Control C and make it here Control V, and this we will be delete, because of this program will be not compile after when we like to download the PLC. And here we will write zoom is little, make it off. I will make it more zoom. Yes, now it's okay, I think so. This is the standard, and here this rows must be, you have to be understand about. This is 4 1 2 3 4. When we like to make a new network, you have to be choose this network. So now one more open contact we will take of the T0 and click enter, and one output we will choose. For example, 100.1 we will choose to check our timer. So now this program we will download to the PLC, and must be click it on this icon, and after you have to be compile first. Now zero error, zero warning class. Now we will write to the PLC, transfer to the PLC, and click it OK, and click it yes, and your program is successfully downloaded to the PLC. So little I will make small, so maybe you will see. Now this is stop mode, we will put in the run mode. Now our PLC is run mode. As I give the signal at I0.0, you can see our Y0 is now hold, and our Y100.1 is now on, because of timer is completed his time. As I give the signal for at X0.1, this will be stopped. Again I will put, can see timer is started. As his time will be completed, it will be make it turn on the 100.1. So this way you can use the timer in Omron PLC. Hope guys you will be understand about this timer 10 milliseconds how we can use in Omron. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.